This is June 13th, it's Monday, and I'm traveling north of Honey Creek, Iowa, and I'm looking out to the west, and as soon as we get past the trees here, you'll see that all you can see is water. I'm north of Honey Creek. The Missouri River is, I don't know, 4 or 5 miles to the west. The interstate is a mile or two in that direction. It's covered with water. There's water as far as you can see. And it's deep water. I've got railroad tracks right to the left here that I'm looking at. That'll probably be covered before the week is up, and the road I'm driving on will be flooded too. So I'm just going to keep this video on as we drive north of Honey Creek, Iowa, to look at all the flooding on June 13th, 2011. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Just incredible as far as you can see to the west. Just looks like a giant lake, which it is.